Hey guys, today we have a Boker whale. Okay, this is a Anso design knife. He's a Denmark knife maker. Well, you guys should know already. One of the best maker around the world, and he does a lot of collaboration work with Boker. And I think I have all his Boker collaboration knives except the I think the knife's called the cock, or how do you say? Well, I forgot the name. I think it's called the cock, or maybe not. It's a slip joint knife, kind of like the haddock, and I'm not much into slip joints, so I didn't get it because anyway, it looks much like haddock. So back to the knife. Okay, this is one of his test lab outbreak designs. He doesn't have a name for it yet, but it looks very much like his funk design, except it has a more whale-like blade. If you look at it, the entire blade, which is really sharp, you'll see like it looks very much like a whale's head, the eye, the big whale mouth. So this is called a whale. The construction, the design, it's excellent. It's very comfortable. It's kind of like the Zulu design. It has the flow on the entire knife. The pistol grip, it's a very comfortable grip in the hand. It's just very comfortable to work with. This is a working knife. This is not a fighting knife. The big belly here, the big belly here, it's just so utilitarian. It's just so utilitarian. The steel, as you can see, is 440C. If you can see there, and I don't know how many pieces they made, but mine's it's number 1000. That's Yen's design, Yen's logo there. This is my favorite thumb stud because it catches really well the thumb, and you can take it off if you want. In Europe, some countries does not allow the one-hand opening knife. It has a big lanyard hole, big one. That's a big lanyard hole. As usual, it's very clean design, same as the albatross. Only 2 screws here, and that's all. That's all. The clip. This is very a lot of Yen's clip looks like this. Looks like this, but it's just thicker on the custom, and I think it's a little bit shorter on the custom. But this is very nice, very nice. It's not the strongest clip, but this is a light folder, very light folder. It's a liner lock. The lock design is also very much like the albatross, a curvy blade tang. It is very strong. There are no blade plates that I can feel of. No. The liner, it's pretty thin on both sides, but this is a utility knife, so the main purpose is to be as light and as strong as possible. So that's well designed. Maybe you can drill holes in it to make it even lighter, but it's already a light knife. It's probably 4 ounces. The lock is easy to disengage, and easy to engage, as you see there. The edges are a little bit sharp, but it catches your finger, your thumb. It uses a black G10. The G10 is very smooth. It's very smooth. I don't know if I want it this smooth, but feels really good in the hand. It's just very smooth, very hard also. And uh, what else? The grind, it's hollow grind and with a big stretch on top. I don't know what's wrong with the focusing today, but there you go. Okay. Complaints. Yes, I do have complaints, but it's nothing about Yen's design. Yen's design, I think it's perfect. I have to have complaint on two things. One, blade is not centered. You can see it's not rubbing any walls. It's not rubbing. That's good. But it's way off. You can see it to the right. That's about that's like 30, 70. And I did try to fix it with the scales. I've tried to fix it with the pivot, but no luck. The blade isn't moving anyway, so it's perfect, and it's very smooth actually, very smooth. So that's one of the complaint. The second complaint is I lost it. So I think it was something about the scales, but maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's probably other. I think it was no, not on this one. Yeah, I just have one complaint on this one. The centering. The other one, I think it was the ring go. That's from the also from Boker. It has a little bit of G10 chipped off. I thought it was this one, but it's not. So only one complaint. The blade centering. Anyway, but this is a user knife, so. And I don't think this knife is very. I don't think it's cheap, but it's not extremely expensive as a designer's knife. It's about 70 or something, I think. But I like it. I think it's worth the money. It's well worth the money for what it's made for. Okay, so if you guys like it, go get one. You will not regret this one. Um, and just check on the centering because I'm very, very uh, anal about the centering of the knives. Boger needs a higher QC control. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.